Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making spaghetti feta. This is such a delicious recipe and it is made in the oven, so really simple. So let's start.
The first thing we're gonna do is prepare our oven dish. I'm making this for 2 persons, but you can just double the amounts I'm using. See the description below for the recipe. Peel a carrot and dice it into small pieces. In a small oven dish, throw in the cherry tomatoes. Put the feta cheese in the middle. Make sure you don't crumble it, but just put it in one piece. Grab your diced carrots and put them in the dish as well. Sprinkle over some dried thyme, rosemary, freshly ground black pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, and lastly squeeze in 1 garlic clove. Mix everything together. This goes into there was a tomato hiding. This goes into the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. In the meanwhile, cook your spaghetti in salted water until al dente. When your oven dishes come out of the oven and your spaghetti is cooked, add the pasta to the oven dish. Make sure to add some spoons of the cooking water. The water contains starches, which help it to become creamy. Mix everything together. Tear over some fresh basil leaves. Mix once again, and there you go!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I see you in the next one.